Anya was a free-spirited girl who loved exploring the winding lanes and sun-dappled meadows of her quaint village. On a warm summer day, she skipped into the village square, braids bouncing and eyes sparkling with curiosity. That's when she noticed a girl sitting alone on a weathered bench, clutching a worn backpack. The girl had olive skin and dark, soulful eyes that seemed to hold 1,000 stories. Anya felt drawn to her, like a butterfly to a vibrant bloom. With a friendly wave, she approached the stranger. "Hello, I'm Anya. What's your name?" The girl looked up, startled, and replied in a melodic language Anya didn't understand. Her brows furrowed in confusion as she tried gesturing and repeating her name, but Anya just shook her head, perplexed. Disappointment flickered across the girl's face, and she averted her gaze, fiddling with the frayed edges of her backpack. Anya's heart sank. She hated seeing someone so sad and alone. That evening, as the village basked in the warm glow of the setting sun, Anya sought out her beloved Grandma Elena, a wise woman known for her skill in traditional crafts. She found her on the porch, deftly weaving a vibrant tapestry. "Grandma, there's a new girl in the village, but we don't speak the same language," Anya explained, her voice laced with frustration. "I want to be her friend, but I don't know how." Grandma Eleanor's eyes crinkled with kindness as she set aside her work. "Sometimes, my dear, the language of the heart is stronger than any words." She disappeared into the house and returned with a basket brimming with colourful threads and beads. "Let me teach you how to make friendship bracelets. It's a way to connect without needing to speak." The next day, Anya found the girl sitting in the same spot, her shoulders slumped in loneliness. With a radiant smile, Anya approached and motioned for her to join them on the porch. The girl hesitated, but there was a glimmer of hope in her eyes as she followed. Grandma Elena greeted her warmly, and soon the three of them were lost in the rhythmic dance of knotting and weaving. Anya taught the girl simple words like red, blue, and knot, while Grandma Elena demonstrated the intricate patterns, her weathered hands guiding theirs with gentle patience. As their bracelets took shape, the girls began to understand each other's personalities. Anya was vibrant and playful, while the girl, whose name they learned was Sophia, was more reserved but with a quiet strength that shone through her delicate handiwork. Laughter and smiles blossomed between them, transcending the barriers of language. They traded stories through animated gestures and facial expressions, their eyes sparkling with the joy of newfound understanding. Finally, with a flourish, they tied the final knots and held up their creation's intricate tapestries of friendship woven into brightly coloured bands. Sophia's eyes welled with tears as she slipped the bracelet over Anya's wrist, and Anya did the same, their fingers lingering in a tender moment of connection. They pointed to their hearts, then to each other, smiling through the happy tears that streamed down their cheeks. In that moment, they knew that their bond went deeper than mere words. It was a language of the soul, forged through shared experiences and the universal desire for friendship. From that day on, Anya and Sophia were inseparable, their bracelets a constant reminder of the power of human connection to bridge any divide. And as the years passed, they would look back on that summer day with fondness, knowing that sometimes the most beautiful stories are written without words, woven together by the threads of friendship that bind us all.